My MK commanders, at least we extended a friendly hand to the EFF. At least we asked and tried so hard that the EFF joins us, not to kill the EFF, but do the partnering with us to liberate black people. What did they do to our hand? They beat our hand, they saw at us, they characterized us in whatever way they chose to characterize us. You see right now, the ship is dismantling. They have chosen the battlefield. At this stage, we still believe we could be friends with EFF. EFF, guys there, please wake up. Let us have serious talks around black unity. Your posture is destroying you. These black eloquent leaders who have uninformed militants who characterize Zuma in a bad way, like this boy from this family, is the Tambo family, I think so. Guide them properly. Most of them they are young. Yes, they are born by revolutionaries, but they are young and they don't even have the hearts of revolutionaries, even though they've got genes of revolutionaries. Guide them properly. The EFF is bleeding. It's bleeding, and we don't enjoy seeing the Red Beret bleeding because of us taking their key leaders. But clearly, Abompof, they cannot tolerate this stubbornness and inability to listen. Even by some of you members, not only Malema. You guys, you don't listen. You don't engage. You are full of anger and full of yourself. And you speak without filtering what comes from the brain to the mouth. The EFF is bleeding. You just lost Dalimpofu now. Please, comrades, EFF, wake up. We can still fix this. Otherwise, my MK, don't feel guilty. We have tried to invite EFF to think like black people and stand for black people. It seems they are changing their political discourse, and they're watching you closely. Change the political discourse, start selling out the black people, will meet you in the battlefield.